Welcome to Powerful Programmer Series.
This is Elias, and today we're going to be going over a continuation of our last video on Linux commands. Previously we just did a pre-working directory. Right now we're still in the root folder. ls lists out the contents of your current directory. ls-hal is a more detailed list. So now we're going to get into change directory. Let me clear this out. cd, and you're going to have a destination after it. So let me do ls again. I see that we have a documents folder, so I'm going to change my directory to there. So all you're going to do is type in cd documents, and right now we're going to be in the documents folder, as you can see right here. If we do pwd again, you know, we're in the root directory and in the documents folder. Let me do it again. Let me see what's in here in the documents folder, my assignments folder. Let's go ahead and cd to that one. So now we're here. If we do pwd again, you can see we're in that directory. If we do cd ... we go up one in our folder system, our file hierarchy. So we're back in the documents folder because it was one up from the assignments folder. And if we do cd with no argument whatsoever, it takes us to the very top level folder. For us, it's the root folder. So we do pwd again, it's the root folder. And it's very useful. I'm using this whenever you're changing directories, just really quickly. Let me do cd again. Let me go back to my documents folder. Here we are. Some other commands for making files and directories. We can do mkdir for make directory. And then we have to have a name for our directory. So let me do PowerPoints. And so if we do ls again, we see assignments and PowerPoints. If we want to make a file in the terminal, we can just do touch and then the file name with the extension. So for example, this is going to be hello world.txt, and if we do ls again, you know, you can see it right there, hello world.txt. Let's say we want to move that file somewhere. We can do mv. It's going to be the first argument is the source, and the second argument is the destination. So we want to move the hello world.txt to the assignments folder. So typing it like that, and if we go to ls again, it's not there anymore. If we do cd assignments ls, it's in there, hello world.txt. That's it for today, but we're going to go over some more commands a little bit later. So thanks for watching.
That's a wrap up for today's episode of Powerful Programmers Series. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next Powerful Programmers episode.